Hello guys. So excited to see you for the first time in the science class, and I'll just start with welcoming you all and welcoming you to this class, online class. We'll be starting with the chapter 8 today, which is motion, which is the first chapter of physics in your book. And before we move on to further discussion with the chapter, I would just request you all uh, for 2 minutes of mindfulness. As most of you who have already attended my class would know, this is a ritual that I like to follow in my class, and especially in these times when we know uh, we all are at our homes, at our own comfort place, and we are in so much stress because of this lockdown. So we'll just practice 2 minutes of mindfulness, where we'll try to bring our senses back to this class and try to be as attentive as possible for the class. So I'd just like to start with 2 minutes of mindfulness and would request you all to please close your eyes. Thank you. So please listen to my instructions very carefully. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. While you do this, try to remember the happiest memory you have. Try to remember the people, the place, the time when you were the happiest. How were you feeling? Not only emotionally, but physically. How were you feeling in your eyes? How were you feeling in your hands? How was your abdomen feeling at the moment? While you're thinking of all of that, I would just request you to keep this feeling close to yourself and promise it will keep creating such beautiful moments in your life. And no matter how difficult the situation is, you'll keep coming back to this happy memory and be happy because of everything going around and every plans and every structures that we need to follow. The most important thing in this world for me or for everyone is your happiness, your smile. Whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes, rub your hands, touch your face, and show me the biggest smile in this world. Thank you. So before we move on, I would just like to have a few responses on how are we feeling after this activity. What's the top of the mind thought? Uh, Isha says she feels relaxed. Nice to hear that. Muskan is feeling happy. Great. Uh, Laksika feels relaxed and calm. Animes feels happy. Ravi feels bekar. Oh, it's okay, Ravi. We understand. And I so hope after this class, you feel better and you feel better and you are in a better place than you are in right now. But thank you for sharing. Ajay feels happy. Thank you, Ajay, for sharing. Thank you so much, everybody, for sharing. And I would just like to move on and like to share with you this question. Like we all must be thinking, yeah, physics, science, it's all about practical questions. It's all about observation. But what and how are we going to do the in this online class? So I just quickly brief you what we are going to do in this entire Zoom class, online class series. So throughout the week that I'll be sharing with you the videos and worksheets of a particular topic on the WhatsApp groups. As you people must have been receiving those videos and worksheets already. And for the people who are watching it on YouTube, you'll find the worksheet and the link to videos in the description of the videos. And then once you have watched all those videos, you have worked on all of those worksheets, we'll come once a week online to reteach, revise and practice on these Zoom calls. बेसिकली आप हफ्ते भर एक टॉपिक के मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स वीडियो के थ्रू सीखेंगे एंड उस पर प्रैक्टिस करेंगे थ्रू वर्कशीट्स और डिफरेंट क्विजेज और क्वेश्चन पेपर्स एंड वंस अ वीक विल कम इन द Zoom call and will where I'll be reteaching certain important concepts. There will be some sort of revision as well on those topics, and then we'll also practice as a group on all those things. We'll have group discussions. You guys can come up with your doubts and questions during this calls, and we can have a live discussion of everything you need to ask regarding the topics and even beyond the topics as well. You're most welcome for any and every kind of discussion you want to have relating to the subject. Uh, so, with that being said, uh, I'll start with our first chapter. And for the first chapter, today I'm going to introduce a very interesting tool which will help us remember. I'll just share the tool with you and then I'll let you know about what the tool actually is and what is the purpose of using that tool. So the tool that we are going to use for chapter 8 motions is mind map. So as the term suggests, mind map is a map for our mind. जैसे हम मैप यूज करते हैं while traveling so that हम इधर से उधर भटक ना जाएं. Similarly, mind map is a tool that helps our mind to remember things and organize things. Ajay shares a mind map is a diagram or a graphical representation with the main idea at the center. Great point, Ajay. Thank you for sharing and thank you for using Google. So basically, mind map is a graphical representation. It's a diagram where we'll break down each and every chapter that we are going to study, and this will just help you remember things visually. And because this is grade 9, the entire syllabus is coming, and we'll need certain tools that will help us memorize and organize things that we are learning in a better way. With that being said, I'll be starting with the chapter 8 and would just like to welcome you all again to this video series. And I'll be sharing these videos on YouTube as well for the people who are not able to attend my Zoom classes. I hope it will be helpful for you people there. And in case you are not finding it understanding enough in YouTube, please reach out. I'll be there. You must be having my contact details. Uh, so that's it from my end for the first bit of this lecture. And thank you.